Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss. How y'all doing on today? Maui hair products. I'm so super duper excited about doing a review on this particular brand, specifically shampoo and conditioner. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Another good thing about Maui's products is that they're sulfate free and silicone free. So I love that about their products. Another good thing about their products, you guys, is that it is affordable, and that's why I really like Maui products. They are affordable and effective, and then they do give you options. So if you don't have a thick curly hair, then you can definitely go for something else. Or if you feel you have damaged dry hair, you can go with another you can go with another option in this particular line. So I really like that a lot. They give you some options. Made with 100% aloe, and they specify that. Another pro about these particular products, you guys, is that they are so easy to use. I love easy breezy products. Okay, so the reason that I got the coconut oil one wasn't specifically because it is for thick and curly hair, but I got it for purposes of hydration. So here on the East Coast, we are slowly but surely encountering those hot months. So around this time of year, my hair requires a whole lot of hydration and moisture. I don't know about y'all, but mine's do. In the beginning, super uber easy to use. Now I know a lot of people, if you buy a product from a line and you get the shampoo, you typically want the conditioner that goes with the shampoo. I'm not that girl. I used to be that girl, but I'm not that girl now. Which leads me to my conditioner that I got. So I got the Heal Hydrate. I got the Heal Hydrate Shea Butter. And again, this is for dry, damaged hair. Yes, I felt like my hair was dry. Damaged, my hair took a beating from the locks that I took down a couple of months back, so it definitely needed some recovery. And another reason that I got this is for the purposes of moisture and hydration to my tresses. This consists of creamy shea butter, coconut oil, and macadamia oil, which it says here on the front. Also, y'all, it's not real thick at all. Let's start with the shampoo so you guys can really see what that texture look like. Y'all don't like the waves, and so I didn't want to take a whole lot out. But this kind of gives you an idea as to the texture of the shampoo. It's definitely creamy and it definitely feels moisturizing, but it's not so thick. Okay, so I do like that. So let's do the texture of the conditioner. Now the conditioner might be maybe a little bit thicker than the shampoo, of course, but typically conditioners are a little bit more thicker and creamier. Okay, she don't want to come out. She's so thick, she don't want to come out. Come on, Vilkums. Come on, Vilkums. That girl thick. Okay, there she go. So here's the conditioner, and it is, as mentioned, a little bit thicker than the shampoo, but again, that's what's to be expected, but it's not so thick that it don't make no sense. It's just the right type of consistency, and it definitely will penetrate those strands with some water. I have to get back to price point on these, you guys. If you're looking for something more affordable yet effective, this is definitely the way to go. You can purchase Maui products just about anywhere. You can go to your local beauty supply store. You can go to your local grocery store. Just about anywhere where they'll let you spend your money, you can pretty much get this if they sell shampoos and conditioners and other hair products. So very affordable. Now, I know my favorite store tends to have these on sale pretty often, or at the very least provide coupons to kind of help consolidate the price. So y'all, Maui, get you some. That concludes today's video, you guys. See you soon in the next one. Smooches.